everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to fix Spectrum TV app local channels not working, location, IP, DNS, and app fix. To fix local channels not working on the Spectrum TV app, you must ensure your streaming device is connected to your primary home Spectrum internet network and disable any active VPN services. Spectrum blocks local broadcast feeds whenever its servers detect an away from home status or an unverified IP address location. Fix 1. Verify the home network and remove extenders. Confirm your smart TV, Roku, or mobile device is connected directly to your main Spectrum Wi Fi network. If your device routes through a third party Wi Fi extender, mesh node, or secondary router, it may mask your IP connection. This forces the app to label you as out of home. Temporarily disconnect the extender and link directly to your base modem/router. Virtual private networks VPN alter your IP address geolocation data. The app will intentionally hide or gray out local channels if a active VPN is detected. So turn off the VPN. Fix 2. Update device location and browser privacy settings. Enable location services. Navigate to your streaming device's system settings, Apple TV, Roku, or Fire TV, and ensure location services are turned on so the app can verify your physical zip code. Next, adjust web browser privacy. If streaming through a Mac or PC browser and local channels are blocked, check your privacy options. In Safari or Chrome, disable settings like hide IP address from trackers and websites to allow the Spectrum streaming web portal to read your home network status. Fix 3. Clear app cache and force reauthorization. First, clear the app cache. On Android TV, Samsung TV, or Fire TV, go to Settings, find Apps, tap on Spectrum TV, and select Clear Cache. Then log out completely out of your user profile and sign back in. This forces the app to back in. Open the app settings, manually log repull, your account's exact localized channel packaging, provisioning. Check guide filters. Open your live TV guide and press the guide button again. Ensure your sorting filter is set to all channels instead of a custom favorite list that might be hiding local feeds. Fix 4. Adjust router DNS settings. Open the My Spectrum app on your smartphone and choose the Services tab at the bottom. Then select Advanced Settings right below your Wi-Fi network header and tap on DNS Server and select Manage DNS. Then switch to a manual setting and enter 8.8.8.8 primary and 8.8.4.4 secondary to route through Google DNS, then save. Power cycle your internet equipment by unplugging your modem and router for 60 seconds. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.